for the third style, we are going to do crop and insert. So this basically means you are taking the video, you're putting it into the keynote, and you are creating the text box space that you want. So you can start off by creating your text box space. It's entirely up to you where you want to put it. Okay, and take note that this will eventually be the final video, what people will see. Alright, just now all you have been doing was overlapping the text box over the video, but now in this case the text box will not be part of the video. Okay, so at this point in time I can also choose to make my font sizes a little bit smaller. It's entirely up to me. Okay, so let's say I decide to make them a little teeny weeny bit smaller, and because my font is a bit small in size, I just make it a bit bigger, and I can just drag it all the way to the bottom. And at this point in time you want to drag it across or whatever, it's entirely up to you. Okay, entirely up to you. So let's say I decide to do this style. Let's say I can also choose to change my background to give it a little bit more feel. Okay, if you have images you want to do, entirely up to you. Now take note that this is whatever people will see. So in your timeline you make sure that you really edited your video to the final cut just before you insert the text boxes. So let's say this is what I want people to see. Now take note that because when I put it inside, I am going to make my video size a lot smaller. So you will probably end up something like this. Okay, if I were to take one of the screenshots previously I had, I will drag it out. This is roughly what people will see. It's going to be very, very small. Alright, so let's say if it's going to be very small, you got to really ask yourself, where is the portion where I want my audience to look at? So in this case, you can see the one people need to look at is actually the assistive touch portion. So now is the time you use the skill you learned before, Kanban. Okay, so you're gonna go into your iMovie to the point where it starts moving somewhere about here. You can take note from here to here. I am going to do a Kanban. I'm going to focus only on this portion. So now I'm going to do a Command B to cut, and then now I'm going to do a Kanban by activating the button over here. I'm going to do Kanban. Take note, straight away this one cuts up. I'm going to extend it out. The reason why I'm extending it out is because previously my frame is really this big. Okay, if I don't do that, the Kanban will be very, very awkward. Alright, so now go back to my Kanban. I'm going to focus on the part where I want people to see, which is the assistive touch panel over here. So roughly align it to where you want it to be. This is what I want. Okay, then when you're done, you're gonna export out that file as an entire movie. Okay, so I'm just gonna rename it style number 3 raw because I haven't edited it yet. Okay, then I'm just gonna put it on my desktop. Okay, and then you will see that it will appear after a while, so just let it cut a bit. Okay, so you can see it's already here coming out, and when it's done you'll let me know. I can see it now. Then at this point in time I can actually drag my video over, and then I'm going to resize my video. I'm going to put it somewhere here. Okay, go put it here. So if I press play, you can see this is what my audience is going to see. Okay, and when I'm done, I'm going to go into file, export, movie. I am going to do from slide 5 to 5 because it's on slide number 5, and I'm just gonna do 1 and 1. I'm just gonna export it out now. Okay, don't forget to set your resolution, and when you're done, just send it out. Rename the file. I'm going to rename it as final because after I cut it out, I'm gonna put it as final. Then you just export it out. Okay, and then when you're done, make sure you watch your file first. Do not move on just like that. Okay, so let me try to find my file now. Okay, open my enclosing file. Let's see where I paste it. Okay, I'm gonna put it back into my desktop, and now that's here, let's press play, and then now I can watch footage. You can see it starts moving, and this is how you do crop and insert.